Ow. Okay. I think that's one of those... Yeah, it's one of those flame spitting things. Let's take care of it. Okay. Yeah, you see those yellow lines on the floor there? Where I'm standing? That's 2 times fire zone. That means I'm going to be taking extra fire damage here. Ah, punchy fists. Let's hit these switches. I don't know what they do, but I just like hitting switches. I think those opened all these doors. Oh, I like these. What's this? Oh, I got the punchy fist spell. Okay, I'm gonna hit this pressure plate, closes the door, so I have to go around, ow, and get hit in the face by this guy. And weigh this pressure plate down. That should keep it from closing. Okay, this looks scary. Let's save. Okay, it went away. The hell? It's a book and I can talk to it. Hi?
You arrive at last. I've been waiting an age to tell you the secret.
Do you mean the secret of why you are chained?
I am not the slave of the mage, though he may treat me so. But you distract me. I wish to speak of the void.
What do you know of the void?
Everything. Spells. My knowledge has a price.
Your freedom?
That is not possible. The mage long ago destroyed the key to my chains. I no longer seek freedom, only a companion.
I cannot be your companion.
Please, I beg you, stay a while.
Why?
I shall teach you a spell of the void.
Ooh, I like
I
spells.
promise you this. I shall stay long enough to learn the spell.
A spell, then. Dark Cloak of Shadow. And by it as safe as a shadow might you be.
Sweet.
I appreciate your teaching me the spell.
Then you will stay and keep me company through the years.
I promise only to stay for the spell. I can neither free you nor stay by your side.
I understand. At least you are honest.
I regret leaving you as you are, but there is nothing I can do.
Stay, I beg you. Leave me not alone. Not again.
Aww. Bye, book. Oh, yikes. What was that about? Okay, let's try that again and not get killed this time. Oops, I seem to be in the fire. Let's wait for the fire to stop. Let's kill these guys. Wow. They're like ganging up on me. Come on. Yeesh.
Nothing. Someone broke in long ago.
Well, it's a good thing I saved there. Okay, careful. Carefully. Ah. Wait for these fires to stop. There we go. Now let's go kill this guy. Die for giving me so much trouble. Ooh. It's a hit point potion. Sweet. Let's organize a little bit. Alright. Just get that spell really quick. Yeah, we've seen all this.
You are like you.
Skip
What?
past it.
I promise. I agree. I
Okay, well I think we're done with the Dark Lantern here. I don't think there's anything more we can get. I don't know how to get to that. I mean, I think we missed that, but I think it's okay. Let's go get our bag of rocks. Make sure that boulder is going to run us over. Now it's going the other way. Yoink. And it's Punchy Fist. Yeah. Yep, we're done. Let's go back upstairs. Pick up our weapon chest. We're seriously way down here. And we'll just go out the back exit.
She sank near shore, with her masts become grave markers.
Now, if we remember correctly, we were supposed to take the shell, face water, and then hold it in our hands, and then blow on it. save first.